CNC lathe machine. CNC lathe machine. With a CNC lathe machine, workpiece is held in machine. It is mounted on a main spindle and rotated on various axes. CNC lathes are available with a number of axes, from 2 to 6 or more, which allow for the more complex components to be produced. How does CNC turning work? The CNC turning process can be quite complex. Stepwise breakdown of the process from design to manufacturing. Step number 1, convert the CAD design file to CNC program. Step number 2, prepare the CNC turning machine. Step number 3, manufacture the CNC turned parts. Type of CNC lathe. Standard 2-axis machine. 3-axis CNC lathe. Multi-axis machine with sub-spindle or dual turrets. Chucking lathe. Big bore CNC lathe. Swiss CNC lathe. Parts of a CNC lathe. Machine bed. Main spindle. Chuck. Guideway. Headstock. Tailstock. Tool turret. Primary axis on a CNC lathe. An axis defines all the movements of a CNC lathe. X-axis, Z-axis, Y-axis, C-axis, B-axis. CNC lathe machining processes. Turning, facing, thread cutting, grooving, drilling, boring, reaming, tapping, tapering, parting, knurling, chamfering. What can I make with a CNC lathe? CNC turning operations produce parts with shapes such as cylinders, cones, and spheres. Aerospace parts, automotive parts, train parts, electric motor parts, nuts and bolts, baseball bats, gun barrels, cue sticks, candlestick holders. What can I make with a CNC lathe? CNC turning benefits. Accuracy, flexibility, safety, faster results. Advantages of CNC lathes. They increase machining accuracy. They give the opportunity to machine parts with more complexity. It allows switching from one part to another. As it is an automated process, it reduces possible human errors. As technology advances, the manufacturing processes of this type of lathe reduce costs. Machining times are reduced. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.